Hi, my name is Eden Newbold. I'm a junior at UNCW and I am majoring in psychology. My question for psychology professors would be, how do you navigate a faith journey and having a Christian-based approach to psychology and your therapeutic practice?
Yeah, so as a psychologist, it's one of those things that mostly makes everybody uncomfortable, to be candid with you. Everybody comes into the classroom, they come into their classroom, whether they're faculty or students, and they have this internal sense of who I am, but why am I the way I am? So everybody tries to come up with reasons of, it's your genetics, it's your environment, it's the interplay of
Hmm.
those two. So it's your epigenetics. And yet, a huge part of that is it's who God made you to be.
Yeah.
We all have our intrinsic personalities that we bring to the table. I have two grandkids. One's 2, one's about 5 months old. They've got personalities already. As a Christian psychologist, when I lecture and I talk about stuff, I try to use like the word design. This is who you're designed to be. This is how you are designed. It's more than just your environment. It's more than just the genetic changes that you've gone through. It's more than just this or that. And we have to wrestle with that if we're really ever going to figure out who we are and why people react the way they react. When I have great days, or when a student has a great day, or I'm lecturing on something that I'm really, really excited about, I want to remember this is something that's capturing the way in which God designed people to be. And when I have days, or when my class has days, or we're talking about stuff that isn't as easy and as fun and as touchy feely, we talk about, or I think about the fact of, this is one of the consequences of sin and how sin has played
Mm.
itself out.
Mm.
The idea of being excited and the idea of being driven and all that kind of stuff is not necessarily bad, but when it tips itself over to aggression and to ego and to manipulation and that kind of stuff, that's that interplay that's worked inside of there.
Mm.
And I don't have to be somebody else. I don't have to be either one of you. I've just got to be who I am, because that's who God designed me to be.
Mhm.
And just grow inside of that. And the fact that God's
Mm.
maturing me and transforming me as we work our way through life.